Take a look at the planet. Beneath the vast oceans, the land we stand on is divided into 7 major regions. While these land masses are interconnected by the same atmosphere and oceans, each continent is defined by its own specific geography, wildlife, and history. Today, we're embarking on a high-speed journey around the globe, visiting each of these 7 locations to see what makes them stand out. Understanding the diversity across these regions is essential to seeing the full picture of our world. We start our tour with Asia, the largest continent on the planet. This single landmass holds 60% of the entire human population, a concentration of people that shapes global culture and technology. That massive scale is mirrored in its geography, with the Himalayas forming the highest mountain range on Earth. Beyond the mountains, a deep cultural legacy is preserved in landmarks like the Taj Mahal. Moving southwest, we reach Africa, the world's second-largest continent and a landscape defined by geographic extremes. Here, the Sahara represents the largest hot desert on Earth, a vast, sun-drenched environment of sand and rock. Cutting through that arid heat is the Nile, the world's longest river, providing a life-giving path of green through the landscape. Due to their immense size, these 2 continents host a wide range of human populations and natural landmarks. Shifting west to North America, we find a region defined by rapid modern development. Cities like New York showcase the massive urban development and economic influence centralized in the United States. But right alongside these modern skylines are ancient geological wonders, like the red rock chasms of the Grand Canyon. Moving further south, the landscape of South America places a greater focus on the planet's natural reserves. This continent is home to the Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth, containing a density of biodiversity found nowhere else. Rising from the rainforest basin is the jagged spine of the Andes, the continent's defining mountain range. Together, these regions balance world-class urban centers with some of the most critical ecological systems on the planet. At the very bottom of the globe lies Antarctica, an environment governed entirely by ice. There are no permanent cities here, only isolated research stations where scientists brave the cold to study the environment. Instead of human cities, you find massive colonies of penguins, the permanent residents of this freezing ecosystem. Traveling back north to Europe, we find a drastic shift to a continent defined by a high density of history. In cultural hubs like Paris, centuries-old landmarks remain at the center of modern life. And in London, a deep political legacy is physically anchored in the city's historic architecture. It is a study in contrast, one region shaped by a lack of permanent human settlement, and another built upon layers of human history. Finally, we reach Australia, the smallest of the 7 continents. Its geographic separation from other landmasses resulted in unique wildlife that can't be found naturally anywhere else. Just off its coast, that uniqueness continues underwater with the massive living structures of the Great Barrier Reef. Australia demonstrates that geographic isolation often results in the world's most distinct ecosystems. Zooming out, we see how these 7 diverse regions come together to form our planet. Every continent is different, providing the various environments and cultures that make Earth a diverse home. Out of these 7 regions, which one would you most want to visit? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on